to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Ava.
I'm Cash.
I'm older.
I'm cooler.
Want to be a part of our HurriKids family? Subscribe and turn on those post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video. Now on to the video. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a peanut butter and Nutella sandwich or a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Either way, but these are the things you will need. Wow, I didn't know these things could teleport.
Yeah, same here.
The power of editing. They will never know.
I like editing, and I like waffling.
Okay, so the things you will need if you're doing a Nutella sandwich, a peanut butter Nutella sandwich, is obviously Nutella, peanut butter, two knives, but not like the sharp ones, just like a butter knife would be good.
And don't be using some 1,000-degree knife.
And then if you are at the bottom of the jar, you might need like a longer spoon to get it out first and then put it on the knife to spread on the bread. So, oh yes, and the main part, the bread. You might need some bread. So, oh yes, and a cutting board. You might need that too. Nice. So I guess let's just get right into showing you. Okay, so let's move you out of here. Let's part the peanut butter and jelly sea. I thought I'm so funny. Get over there. Okay. So the first step to making the sandwich is to obviously open up the bread. I hate these little seals, like the little twisty ones. Just don't like them. Who eats the butt of the bread? I don't know. I do. I don't. No. You can have the butt after the video. That sounds weird. He's just talking about the butt of the bread. Which is this. Okay, anyway, so you're gonna, if you're making 2 sandwiches, you need 2 pieces of bread. If you're making 4, if you're making a sandwich, you need 2 pieces of bread. If you're making 2 sandwiches, like me and Cash are, then you have to have at least 4 pieces of bread.
Onto the bread. Bounce onto the other piece of bread.
Stay there.
Bounces.
Stop it. I have to say stop it to him so many times in these videos because he's like, ooh, look at the bread, look at the bread. Is that very interesting? Is that interesting to you?
No,
I don't think it is.
Like it bounces.
Put it down. Okay, next step, because that step took way too long. Okay, next, you're going to take, well, whichever one you want to start off with first. Here, let's move this forward a little. Here, I'm going to scoot you closer so you can see it. So, obviously, you cannot see our faces, but the next step to making, I probably shouldn't touch it, but I just washed my hands. So, the next step to this is you can either start off with Nutella or peanut butter. So, you're just going to open up the Nutella like that. And then, this is the part where you would normally take the big long spoon and just go in there and get it.
Bye, goodbye.
I just threw a peanut butter jar cap at his head.
You.
Okay, and then you're going to take some of this. Ew, don't sneeze on the sandwiches. It's gross.
Sorry.
That is not a step. Do not do that.
I mean, if you want to, it's
Okay, and then once you have a little scoop of your topping of choice,
topping of voice.
okay, you're just gonna take a little knife. That's not how you do that. So you're just gonna get some on, then you're just gonna get it on the knife. Probably can't see that, but
Why is peanut butter always so thick?
because peanut butter's a thick boy. He doesn't go to the gym a lot.
Yeah, I can tell.
Nutella does.
Do they?
Yeah, he does.
Because in real life, you know, peanut butter is actually healthier.
And then what you're just gonna do is you're gonna spread it all around on the bread. So we will be back when all of our, well, I guess
Toppings.
when Cash is done spreading his peanut butter and I'm done spreading my Nutella. So I guess we'll be back in 3, 2, 1. So now after you have gotten your topping of choice on your sandwich. What you're gonna do is you're basically gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna be spreading peanut butter on this one, and he's gonna be spreading Nutella on that one. So I
Hit
mean,
my bread, kid.
here you go. Here's the knife, here's the spoon.
Knife and a spoon. Great.
I'll take this, hand me the peanut butter.
Yeah,
Give me the peanut butter, thank you.
Can
Here's the Nutella, there you go. So basically, you're just gonna do the same thing all over again. Isn't that fun?
I know.
We're just gonna spread it. And peanut butter is a lot easier to spread than Nutella.
Isn't it fun, Jimmy?
See, I'm already basically done. I'm done.
Oh, it's a thick layer.
So basically, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take this piece of bread and flip it like this. And they're just gonna wanna go, bam! You know, and if you're a picky person, you could cut the edges of it off and then eat it.
I don't care if I have to.
I normally cut the edges off and then eat it. Oh no! Like that. And then I eat them with other Nutella.
Hey, we got a man down.
Other peanut, what man?
We got a man down.
So basically, if you want to, you just cut the sides off with the same peanut butter.
You're right. I love putting my finger on the knife and eating it.
So basically, you could either cut the sides off or not cut the sides off. I personally prefer it like this, but just to show you, I did it like this. And then you just eat these. No wasting. Just eat these. I'll eat these later. Hashtag our table is covered in peanut butter and Nutella, but you can't see that. Maybe you can. I don't know.
This is art, Ava. This is really art.
I don't know. And yes, by the way, something I forgot to mention was you might need a paper towel to clean up your hands afterwards.
You might.
I think you will. And then basically what you do is you're just gonna have to rinse off this and rinse off this in the sink, and then rinse off this in the sink, and then just put the Nutella and the peanut butter back where you got it, and same as the bread. After you've rinsed off your dishes, is you can take, if you have them, or you could just put them in a plate. You see these little things? We're not wasting, we're gonna eat them. You're gonna take this, put it in there, and then put two other sides, and then just close the lid, give it.
Hello, there you go, Mommy.
There you go, that's the lunch.
Yay.
By the way, disclaimer, we're not wasting these, we're eating these for lunch. So, we're gonna go clean up the table and we'll be right back. Anyways, we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, and if you want to see more of our content, click over here. We love you guys so much. Bye!